I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend. And these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
हाय, स्वागत है आपका निटी ग्रिटी विद डॉक्टर नीति कौशिक में। हम लोग अक्सर कोशिश करते रहते हैं कि हम खुश रहें और हम अपनी खुशी कहाँ ढूंढते हैं? हम ढूंढते हैं अपनी खुशी, अरे वाह आज मैंने शॉपिंग करी तो आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। अरे वाह मेरी सैलरी में हाइक आया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। आज मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ पार्टी करी, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। आज मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड ने बाहर घुमाया और मुझे कुछ अच्छा सा गिफ्ट दिलाया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। हम हमेशा अपनी खुशियाँ बाहर ढूंढते हैं, दूसरों में ढूंढते हैं, औरों में ढूंढते हैं, लेकिन भूल जाते हैं कि खुशी तो अंदर है। वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग टुडे इज फॉर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, हाउ टू स्टे हैप्पी, हाउ टू रिमेन हैप्पी, हाउ टू फाइंड दैट हैप्पीनेस. So we're going to be talking about 10 magical scientific ways which are going to click like this for us and going to provide us with magic, and that magic is happiness. First important point, always practice smiling. You know, when you're paying somebody a compliment, you're making their day. You're making their day beautiful because with your compliment, the other person is going to be feeling happy. And when you are going to give smile to somebody else, that's going to matter you all the more than anything else. So try making somebody happy by giving your smile. If nothing else, at least you can give your smiles. Second important thing, pay gratitude. When I say gratitude, you know, the language of universe is such, the algorithm is such that what you say thank you for multiplies manifolds. And God and universe understands that probably this is what you need more. So when you say thank you God for blessing me with abundance, thank you God for blessing me with connectivity with so many people. So the God, what will God do? What will universe do? It will say, okay, so this girl wants this, and it will start with more universe, more, and more connectivity, more happiness, more abundance. The more we are grateful for, the more universe is going to be blessing us too. Now we move to the third point, is helping others. Always ensure we have taken birth, we have come into this world, and our main purpose is to give to others, to help others. Just ensure that you're keeping aside at least 2 hours every week in terms of helping others. It could be in person, it could be through money, it could be through services, it could be through happiness, it could be anything. You're watering the plants, wonderful. You are helping somebody by donations, wonderful. You are helping somebody in getting their tasks accomplished, wonderful. Whichever ways, little bit, try and look for things through which you can help somebody. And really, one thing I'll tell you, whenever you help somebody, it should not be posted on the internet. It should not be posted on the Facebook or Insta that, okay, donation drive going on, see, I am donating this. That's not happy. That is not helping, because there again, you are wanting validation from outside. And when the moment we ask for validation from outside, that everybody praises us, speaks good about us, then that help is no more a help. Fourth important thing, very, very important for bringing happiness, sleep time. You must ensure that you get proper sleep of 7 to 8 hours. Now, many people I have heard saying that हमें नींद नहीं आती, हम रात को जग जाते हैं, हमें अच्छे से नींद नहीं आती. So, couple of things that you can do to induce sleep. One, pressure point. This is the pressure point which is below this small finger, where the line is here, this way. Just press this point. So try and press this 4 to 5 times while you are lying down. It will start giving you, inducing you sleep. I'm not going to do it so that I don't go off to sleep right now. Second important thing, try and take a bath or a shower before sleeping. You can drink warm milk, hot milk, and you can add kesar to it. That can induce lovely sleep. Brahmi is an amazing herb. Brahmi can, prevent anxiety. Brahmi can add on a lot of proper sleep patterns in your life. So try and incorporate and start taking Brahmi at the bedtime. That will help you. Now we move to the fifth important point. Fifth important point is exercise. So, it's not necessary that you have to hit the gym all the time. It's not necessary that you have to be doing very strenuous exercises. Simple walk can do the magic. Simple dancing can do the magic. Simple moving around can do the magic. Walking up and down the steps can do the magic. And playing any game, any activity with your friends and partner can do the magic. Any form of exercise will make you happy. Now we move to the sixth important thing. Very importantly, take a walk outside. Please don't stay in the domain of four walls. Step outside, spend some time in nature, spend some time in under the green trees, walk barefoot on the ground. The more you are able to spend time in sunlight, in air, fresh air, with the plants, with the trees, the better, and the happiness quotient will keep increasing. So this is the sixth one. Now we move to the seventh. Again, a very, very amazing thing, spend time with family. The more, I know this lockdown has ensured that we all spend a whole lot of time with our family. But believe you me, when this is not going to be there, we're going to miss it like anything. So please spend time with your family members, spend time with your pets, spend time with your friends. And as much as possibly when you are with them, you are relieving your pent up emotions. So that always helps. Now we move to the eighth point, which is again important, meditation. Many of us keep on, trying to meditate at the same time are not able to do so, but I'll always say, as it is important for you to take bath daily, as it is important for you to clean your room daily, right? So that brooming has to be done, that cleanliness has to be done, the cobwebs have to be removed. So the same way it is important for us to meditate. Even if you are able to sit in meditation for 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, whatever time you are able to, please do that. If you do not know the process of meditation, there are ample sites available. There are ample YouTube videos available for meditation. You can always just plug in one and then listen to it and try and follow. So wherever you get connected with, try using it. I'll also be making a series on guided meditation once the astrology thing gets over, so that at least I'm able to guide you with whatever I have learned in my life for meditation. And those are very beautiful ways of meditating, and probably I will be able to share them with you. Now we move to the ninth point, and the ninth point is try and improve yourself through reading a book. When you are reading a chapter, a page, a paragraph, anything from a book physically, not from the gadget, that's going to induce a lot of happiness in you, because this way you are doing your personal development. And when you are engaged in doing your personal development, believe you me, when you are upgrading yourself, it will induce so much of a happiness in you that goes, without saying. Last but not the least, one of my favorites, listen to the music. Listen to the music, and I love listening to music and dancing along with that. So you can try, at least listen to 2 to 5 songs every day. And believe me, when I was small, I still remember, I used to remember the lyrics word by word. And now it is music which is more prominent. Very few meaningful songs are there. Right. So when you listen to the music, you can listen to chants, you can listen to music, you can listen to songs, you can listen to anything which calms your mind, and it gives you a lot of happiness. So I think अब बाहर भागने की बजाय अंदर से अगर अपने आप को हैप्पी रखोगे तो उस हैप्पीनेस का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. सच में कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. Tried and tested many a times. जब से खुद से खुशी पानी शुरू की है, तब से हर चीज़ अच्छी लगने लगी है. जब तक दूसरों पे निर्भर थे तो हमेशा वेट करते थे कि वो चीज़ कब होगी और कब खुशी मिलेगी. All these 10 methods which I have told you, they are scientifically proven. They are also proven. This is a humble person who has tried proving them and implementing on her own self, and that's how. So thank you so much for getting connected with Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and thanks for being part of this journey. May you stay abundant, may you stay blissful, and may you stay happy, all of you. God bless. Take care.
In case you would want to listen to more on such topics, please mention in the comment box. We will be more than happy and ready to help you and assist you. बने रहिएगा, जुड़े रहिएगा. Thank you one and all.